Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I don't have an introduction as yet. I'm gonna work on that. Okay, so today is the 6th of January, and it is a Saturday, and it is about, I think it's 6 o'clock in the morning. That's why I look so crusty. Spoiler alert, this is how I always look. I don't wear makeup anyway. So, yeah, we're going to be doing a lot today. So, I'm expecting packages from Shein. So, I'm going to be doing a Shein haul. I'm going to be unboxing an item that I got as a wedding gift from one of my guests. Um, and yeah, we're also going to be attending a wedding in Val. I've never been to the Val, so that's going to be interesting. And yeah, I also plan on unboxing some of my Christmas presents that I got for myself, and we are going to be doing some cleaning. So yeah, that's the plan of action for today. It's a lot, right? Yeah, but that's what we plan on doing. Yeah, so I'll see you guys later. But first, I'm actually going to my psychologist before we start the day. And I'll explain later why I'm actually going to my psychologist. Yeah, so I'll see you later. Hi guys. Gosh, the lighting is so bad. But anyway, okay, so we just arrived at my psychologist offices, and yeah, my psychologist is like 1,000 hours away from my place. And he's actually like my third psychologist because I've seen several before him, and I actually prefer speaking to him. It's so easy to speak to him, and yeah, anyway, so at the beginning of every year I try to attend a session because it is the anniversary of my mom's death. So I always feel emotional towards that day, and that's why I attend psychology sessions or psychotherapy. I'm still undergoing psychotherapy, even though my mom passed away, I think about 2 years ago. Yeah, but anyway, yeah, so while I'm waiting for my appointment to start, I think it's still with the patient at the moment. While I'm waiting for my appointment to start, I just wanted to speak about New Year's resolutions. So, what are New Year's resolutions? Yeah, what are New Year's resolutions, babe? So, okay, so New Year's resolution, right? I'm sure if you even have to Google this, it is basically promises that you keep or make at the beginning of a year to start a good habit or to quit a bad habit. And one of my biggest New Year's resolutions this year is to have goals that I'm going to be achieving every month. Because it's hard to, I feel like I've made New Year's resolutions previously, and I don't think I've stuck to them. Yeah, so I think like breaking them up into months is better than having one big New Year's resolution. I mean, you can have an overall New Year's resolution, but I definitely have um, goals that I want to achieve every month. So one of the goals that I want to achieve this month, I definitely want to try and quit social media. That's why I started vlogging, so that I can have some sort of outlet, because I like posting on my social media. And The other thing is, okay, so they are opening. I think we can go in. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. They were opening the gates for us. Well, not for us, for someone. Yeah, anyway, so I have goals that I've set every month that I need to achieve. And one of the goals that I set for myself in January is I want to stay off social media for a number of days in the week. And then the other goal is that I want to study more because I'm writing exams in a couple of months. And then the other goal is that I want to finish renovating parts of my townhouse. So I've been renovating my place since I moved in, and I feel like the renovations, they never end. So yeah, so basically, yeah, those are my resolutions or goals that I've set for myself this year. And then I've also got career goals that I want to achieve this month. Hopefully, God willing, everything will be achieved. It's nothing major. Well, it is major. Yeah, so what are your resolutions, babe? That's my husband, by the way. Yeah, he doesn't want to show his face on camera. So you've got plans. What plans do you have?
Yeah, going to the gym.
Okay. Eating more healthy. That's also a yearly New Year's resolution that I actually plan on embarking on as soon as I'm done with my exams. Because I feel like you can't, I don't know, I feel like if I'm in a bad space, I definitely can't focus on my diet and eat healthy things. If I'm in a crappy mood, I definitely turn to junk food. But I say that because it is the way that I deal with my emotions, and I think I wouldn't advise anyone else to deal with the emotions in that way. And I'm advising, this is advice as a homeopath, as someone who has studied homeopathic medicine or natural medicine. I wouldn't advise eating unhealthy or an unhealthy lifestyle. That's just how I cope with my emotions. Yeah, so those are my New Year's resolution, and then I'll see you guys after I'm back from my session. So my session starts at 9, and we've got 10 minutes left before my session starts. So after my session, we'll go back home, and then we will prepare for the wedding that we have to attend in Val. And yeah, probably not prepare immediately. We'll probably clean or make breakfast, or I'll make breakfast, and then we'll prepare for the wedding that we're attending in Val. And hopefully my packages would have arrived by the time I am back home. Hi guys, so I'm back from my psychologist, and I had a great session. So now we're just preparing to go out for the wedding. We'll first get a gift from Carol, Boys, whatever, how do you pronounce it. And then we'll go to the Val for the wedding. So this is my outfit. It's a traditional wedding, so I'm wearing Xhosa attire. It is damn tight. Yo, okay, and then the options are either I carry this bag or my Gucci bag, and then these sunglasses. Okay, so I think I'm gonna rock these shades and this. So that is I can't turn around because my zip is not all the way up. So you will see my assets. Okay, so yeah, this is my outfit. We will see you at the wedding. Hopefully it's a nice and beautiful wedding. Weddings are always beautiful though.
Mr. Fuzzy. bua ga batjhana gore tatokoloko jalo ka ditsibulo la hao ka Sesotho ba re ngwana matsibolo ke thaka ntata ya moshemane ha ile ngwana ke thaka mmane tshedi o ya ntlong e nngwe ona le dihole mo and tshedi o tlwaetse gore ha tsoga habo a be salla ka tight a phetsa breakfast ona le bashemane and tshedi o rata lerata ka ba bolela papa dad mo a yang ke lapeng la batho ba bang re a tseba gore tshedi o ntse jwang jwale gore o mmatle o tshwanetse o lo kopa ngwana wa hao tlong le ratile go ba tshosane ba keleng so ke ba kena tshosane gore ke rata ngwana ba tlo etsa botse so ngwana wa hao today sa tla o mmona la o qetela today as moradi wa hao ka ra ntwena she's going somewhere and o lo fuwa lebitso le leng so lebitso la tshedi ha o bua ka shebo le o tlo le kwenya molomong wa hao never say tshedi o tlo emela mmangwane wa hao a khutle ha tshosane ka letsatsi le leng hey ba re ke maspherephere then go tloa mohlango ha o founela ba tshosane o tlo re maspherephere o kae so ke kopa o eme ngwana wa wa tsamaya today and o mo laya go qetela and definitely tsamane ba tshosane ba na le sekolo ba bona re se buku tlosana ke mo go le buku yena a those ke a re fetele boloko ba etse le ntse
bomme le botate ke a leboha o botse ka tete ba le tate Sadona, she's the most beautiful woman in the world. So she's the most beautiful woman on earth. So metswalle ya ka, metswalle ya tshedi, metswalle ya mapoloko bohle ba sione bohle ba gore modimo wa kgotswanetse hantle re a tseba go le tlolletse mabaka a lona la tlolla di eng le nna mabaka le ditho tsena kaofela ba di tlolletse la ba re tlo bona tlang ke se di a ba tswa empa ba ba diso ke ba tla go ditsa le e teng le tsena le se di a tswa ka la bona ke ha bo thaba mona ke ha bo tebo mona ke ha bo matsietso mona ke ha bo malume mona ke ha bo botle ba dula mona so ke le kopa bana le sukela le bua le ba botle ba tlile mona se ka motho wa khotsa ka ntsha a ditla le lona a le tse ka ho le ka le ka ho khotsa mo dipele batho so ke le ba botle ba tlile mona bana le sukela tsa mona le se le tlo ke ditso bana batho a ke kwati ba ka je thabia se ka motho wa khotsa ka ntsha a ditla a le fiso le tloka le le 2014 wa 2024 wa go tswa letsa hantle ka le bua bana ka le bua
a re fe magotso ka mogotsi wa tshedi tshedi magotsanya ke a sheba nna ke
mogotsi wa dumedisa ka lebitso le halalang la Morena Jesu. It's such an honor to be here today because le Thabanke ba from high school. So I can have mangata, but only to wish them happiness, love, peace, prosperity, less of life. Soft life. He who finds a wife, Mamela has found a good thing. And today is absolutely the best thing. So
so like it to me hanya la le mara ke ya ditse ba tla bontsha hore modimo o ile fela le nna ke le mo so ha ke ba nyala so ha ba tsoma ke tsene
Faz uma fadila.
so the best friend ke khatlaba so ata ke tsena Mamela, ke ntse ke tse go nna fe
Your coat looks nice, ne?
But our friendship
it's no longer a friendship. It's a brotherhood friendship. Yeah. There's nothing that I can give you from me, but in Kofafela Jehovah, that is another eternal thing. Before you can come to so you must make people happy and more than Tabang, shut up there.
This lady. That's all.
The first sip, we wish you a wonderful marriage. Cheers. Cheers. Hint. No. You must make sure when the guy came to you, direction you just hide his hands. Where put it? Start to spark. Start. Now start to make him ish. And then ungena ngase left. I don't know ungena ngase left. And then Momal increase yokuqala yesibili yesithathu mawufika kwesini ushayithan yesini utawutaseke ba hayi uyabona ukuthi eish hayi bari unataka tujana this snacks man don't hide this hand, you gotta hide this one. You hear that? Look ubhekile thing said left ubonzori you are Mrs. Tosa. Yes. Hi, mona re qala ka dihloho. Mare kana ba kana ba re amohetse Thabang ha Susana. Rona ke ba ha koroko re mo fa tetla ya hore amang. So now it's your platform to say 2 or 3 words before we take a grace. Re mamela Tata Susana. Tata Susana tshantsa bue. Me wa yotse nini nini ngati go thaba go go fini mo go tshwa. Are tseba so le batla utlwa rena. Itswa kae iya kae. Thabang ngone so are yang fethu.
Okay.
I'm obedient to say peace.
bengiyovalelisa nihlanu munye uyanikahlela lapha. Awu, shaya sikaMandela. Awu umxhosa othile nje uhlele kakhulu ngalo.
It's a beautiful day. Hi guys. Okay, so we are heading back home. We are leaving early because we don't like driving in the dark, so that is why we are leaving early. But what a beautiful wedding, no?
Yeah.
It was very beautiful, very intimate. Yeah, I think that's how we're gonna do our traditional wedding, no?
Yeah.
Yeah, very intimate.